Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some items from the Ipsy flash sale. So I am a member of Boxycharm by Ipsy. I used to have Boxycharm, the base box, and I used to have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and they have combined the two. So now I just have one, and it is the Ipsy, I'll forever say it wrong. It's just like the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, except we don't get the bag anymore. They pick 2 items, you pick 3. But they're calling it Boxycharm by Ipsy. And they do some sales here and there. They do add-on sales, they do flash sales. And then every quarter, should be coming up July 10, whatever the Monday is. I think it's July 10. They are supposed to be doing the Mega Drop Shop, just like the Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop. But we know from last quarter that it wasn't as spectacular as Boxycharm is, so we're hoping it's going to get better. Anyway, this is a flash sale that they had, and you really have to know your prices because some things are not priced nicely and some things are. So I got a few things. I don't need a few things, but I got a few things. It came in this box that was inside a big brown box because I got a few big items. So I did get what I call a $5 bag. I only got one, but this is it. And it's funny because these bags are reminiscent of Fab Fit Fun. So I wonder if Fab Fit Fun and Ipsy are going to combine now. That's what it sort of feels like. So I'm just going to cut this open because otherwise it may take me a while. My cute little Temu scissors. So this was $5 for these 2 items. And I love the little $5 bags. They didn't have too many of them. In fact, some of them went to $6. So, but this I got because it's a Tony Moly foot mask. In the Minion foot mask, it says that it's banana. And I just love a foot mask, and Tony Moly foot masks are good. So I got that. This is valued at $5.50, and I paid $5 for both items. So what else was in there? Not so much excited about, but I thought for the $5 I'd get it. This is the Refreshments Brilliant Body Bar, and it is in Jasmine Sunrise. Let's see what it smells like and looks like. The packaging is real pretty on here, you see? Their packaging is beautiful. Smudge was just up here, so I have a fur in my mouth. Sometimes I do like a bar of soap just to have in the shower. It's pretty. Jasmine Sunrise. It's just a nice, soft bar of soap. So it smells good. Jasmine Sunrise. So that was $5 for those 2 pieces, okay? And when I looked this up, this was $5.50 on the Tony Moly site. And this says that this is valued at $9. I personally wouldn't pay $9 for a bar of soap, but $3 or $4, $5 maybe I would pay. So I feel like I got a bargain on that. Next up, I got a bag for $14. Okay, and you see how this is reminiscent of the Fab Fit Fun bags? And let's see if it's not in that. Oh, that's nice, okay. So it has 2 items in it. These are full-size items. So I felt comfortable paying $14 for this. I don't usually buy the more expensive bundles, but I thought, yeah, I'll get it. I love the Grace and Stella eye masks. So that's what this is. This is valued at $32. They said that this bundle is valued at $54, but when you look this up, this is $32 and this is $30. So that's $64, so a typo or something. There are 12 pairs of eye masks in here, and they expire in 1 year. We've got a year. So they are very nice. I can open them and show you because I'll probably use some this evening. I love eye masks. I use eye masks often because they're just so soothing, so I'm sure y'all have seen the Grace and Stella ones before. It says everything is better in pink. You can find these on Amazon, even for $32. You can get them cheaper. You can find them cheaper usually. But this is what it looks like. I'm sure y'all have seen it before. So, and there are 12 in there. And then the other item is Dew of the Gods brand, and I love their eye masks. So I've been noticing lately that we've been getting more, we're being exposed more to the Dew of the Gods products. And I believe I got this or something very similar to it in a mini. So this is the squalene and oat milk Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Facial Scrub. And it is shrink wrap, so I'm going to leave it that way right now. It is full size at 100 grams, 3.52 ounces. And this, if you go buy this on its own, this is $30. So I paid $14 for 32 and 30, $64 value. So, you know, if you know your prices and you don't mind getting things like that, I don't necessarily, like I said, buy the more expensive bags, but this time I did. And this is a little $8 bag. Now this one doesn't have a drawstring. This is sealed. And of course we know the sponge gel that's in there. Usually when you see them on Ipsy, you can get one sponge gel for $5. So I got these two items for $8. And this sponge gel does not have the string. So usually that is, instead of being the $18, it's $14 or it's $16. And this is the Honey Blossom, which I really like. It's very mild, the Honey Blossom. It's actually, in my opinion, a man could use this one as well. Maybe not if you tell him the name Honey Blossom, but if he just smells it, I think a man would appreciate that. To me, it's very unisex, the scent. And you know, I love my sponge gels. Can't live without my sponge gels. So that plus this Kapari, which Kapari is an excellent skincare line. This is the Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. And I do believe it's for your body, not your face. This is a deluxe sample size. So I couldn't find a price on it. But they say that this bundle, the $8 bundle, is worth $20.16. Not sure where they get that 16 cents. So if the sponge gel is $14, then they're saying this is about $4.16. Let's see if it's sealed. It is sealed. I was going to try it real quick. I like this kind of a bottle where it has this, you know, once you take the seal off, then you can close it up like that. And I'm almost positive it's skincare instead of your face. Yeah, skin. So I like Kapari. I've recently, we get it from time to time, not very often, but I have tried it from time to time and I like it. So, you know, body butter, a nice Ultra Restore body butter, good for summer. Even though I'm not a sun worshiper, I still get a little bit of a you know, tan, and my skin gets a little bit aggravated. So, yeah. So that was $8 for those two items. And then what's in the big box, I got some shampoo. Let me show you these. And I got this kit. Let me put that box down because it'll fall down. I paid $20 for this kit. And it is, I hope that's okay in there. It looks like it might have leaked a little bit. Foxy Bay. We have the volumizing shampoo and the volumizing conditioner. I have been using better shampoos and conditioners instead of just what I would get at Walmart. I've used Walmart shampoos, you know what I mean, like all the, and I don't mean Walmart brand, but all the junky brands. And in talking with friends and in seeing what we get in boxes and stuff, I decided to try better shampoo. And I think that might be okay. It's got a little icky on it, but I don't think it's, I can't even open it. So I think it's from something else maybe. But this is volumizing, and Foxy Bay I hear is very good. So the shampoo is $18.95. These are full size, $18.95, and I pay $20 for this kit, this little kit, and there's something else in here. And the conditioner is $19.95. So there's just about $40, $39 for the shampoo and conditioner. And then there is this hair wrap. And I love these hair wraps. I have a couple of them. They're super nice. You've seen this before on Ipsy many times, I'm sure. It is the Kitsch brand. I've seen this even on, I will say Fab Fit Fun, I believe. It's super cute. It's a hair towel, you know, and I'll take it out. It's cute little, the way it's wrapped. It's just a, of course, oh, hang on. It's got a, this is hooked to it. I got to cut that off. This is valued at $22. Now, I wouldn't pay $22 for one of these, but that's what it says it's valued at. Well, it's very nicely made. It is, it's very nice. I have a couple of these, and you know, you can get these kinds of things cheap, but this is a nicer, this isn't just your icky old cheap towel. This is a very nice towel, very nice. Very, very soft. There's the brand. Kish, is that how I say it? And then this is one of those, you put it on your head, and then you grab your hair in there and twist it around, and then you button it up front here, or you can do it the other way and put this on your head and then, you know, have your hair in front of you. That's how, when I had long hair as a young person, I would put my hair in front of me and then twist it in a towel and then button it behind you. So either way works just fine. It's like a turban thing. And this is super nice. This is really, really nice quality. Very, very nice quality. And it's got that pretty palm print on it, if you can see that. So these are nice to have, even though I don't have a lot of hair. If I get out of the shower and I put one of these on, it soaks up a lot of excess water before I start to dry my hair. So I think that it's very helpful. So that, I paid $20 and that value is $60.90, is what they say. Yeah, is what it is. So I thought this was a really great bundle. I got some good stuff. So what do y'all think? What y'all like? Like I said, I've been trying to use better shampoo on my hair. And, you know, I'm not saying that I could buy $18.99 and $19.99 shampoo from the store. But if I can get it at a discount, that's why I love Ipsy and Boxycharm, because I can get things that I like, things that I want to try at a reduced price. So I'm always looking for the bargains. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.